Introducing the latest addition to Combi's comprehensive end-of-line packaging offering, the BeeWrap Plus Robotic Stretch Wrapping Machine, Combi's ultimate solution for unmatched mobile and flexible pallet wrapping. Powered by CAT technology, BeeWrap Plus is designed to streamline your packaging process, ensuring every pallet is securely wrapped with precision and consistency. Ergonomic and straightforward, BeeWrap Plus offers a complete range of advanced features. The intelligent control system is easily programmable for different wrapping patterns and load sizes. BeeWrap's 240% powered pre-stretch maximizes film yield to minimize consumable cost, and the rugged construction withstands the tough environment of high-volume operations. Say goodbye to inconsistent and labor-intensive manual wrapping. Regardless of pallet size or shape, BeeWrap Plus reduces labor cost, increases productivity, and provides a consistent wrap every time. Unlike competitor products, BeeWrap Plus features advanced, long-life battery technology, along with a no-maintenance, belt-driven film carriage. BeeWrap Plus is equipped with advanced safety features, including automatic shutoff sensors and an emergency stop button, ensuring a safe working environment for everyone. Designed for seamless integration, BeeWrap Plus easily fits into your existing workflow. It's simple to use and easy to maintain, keeping operations running smoothly with minimal downtime. Don't take our word for it, judge for yourself. Transform your packaging operations with BeeWrap Plus. Contact your authorized Combi distributor today to learn more and schedule an on-site demonstration.